Hello guys, and today we'll talk about variables in Python. So what are variables? Well, variables are a sort of container that can hold data. Before we go any further, it's good to let you guys know that we'll be using Jupyter Notebook as our IDE. If you guys want to know how to set that up or how to get it to work with your computer, let me know in the comments. We can assign a value to a variable with the equal sign right here. In this example, we assigned the variable integer value of 2. Integers are whole numbers, so no decimal points, as you can see. Print shows everything to the programmer on what a particular variable is holding. In this case, it's 2. Right there, print. Variables can also hold floats, which are numbers that have a decimal point. It's also important to note that Python is case sensitive with variables. So as you can see here, it's 3.14. It has a decimal point, so it's a float. And right here it shows you. So I'll run this. And as you can see, it'll give us a warning. Well, an error really. Because pi should be uppercase. The p in pi should be uppercase. Right here we can see the variables turkey, corn, and potatoes. And you can create a variable using other variables. Also, a good thing to note is that integers and floats work together arithmetically, so you can add the floats and the integers together. We can also assign a different value to the same variable. However, the new value replaces the old one. As you can see, Thanksgiving before was 8.75. Now that we assign 10.5 to it, it is now 10.5. You can also do other types of arithmetic besides addition. The star symbol multiplies integers, floats, and variables that hold integers and floats. So right here we see 2 times 2, which of course equals 4. The front dash allows us to divide. So right here we assign the variable 6, the integer value of 6. So when we print out 6 divided by 2, we get 3.0. A good thing to note is that whenever we divide or multiply, we will get the float value instead of the integer value. So here it's 3.0 instead of just 3. The double star allows us to raise a number by a power of a different number. So right here we have 3 double star, so to the power of 3, which should equal 27. The percent sign is called a remainder or a modulo in Python. What this will do is give us what's left after dividing 2 numbers. 3 goes into 20 6 times, with 2 remaining. So the result from a remainder is 2. So right here we have the modulo right here, which is a percent sign, and from there we will get 2. You can also subtract with just the subtraction sign. So we assign the variable 10 to equal the integer 10, and then we print out the result of 10 minus 2, which is 8, of course. There are other mathematical operations, like getting the absolute value, but that requires a library. We'll talk about libraries when we get there. Here is a practice example problem. Calculate the total bill for your groceries and apply a 25% coupon. These are the items in your basket. So chicken will be $5, broccoli will be $2.50, rice will be 50 cents, beans will be $1, bananas will be $1.25, and coffee will be $3. Let me know what you get in the comments down below. The next video on Python will be about strings. Thank you and have a good day.